Hello, my name is Diana Gutierrez, and this is my ID card. Uh, and I'm going to talk about three summarizing techniques that we can apply when we want to include material in our own work. So let's begin. The brief method. This method is a way of breaking down a piece of text into pieces so we can make sure that no important information is left out in our summary. So brief is an acrostic that um, represents background, relevant points, important details, essential message, and final review. Here I have an example. This is a paragraph taken from our didactic guide about the difficulties when paraphrasing. So here I extract the most important information. The background is information difficult to paraphrase. The relevant points are paraphrasing techniques used in the wrong way, and information includes expressive language. Now, the important details is the writer's fear of losing the real message or keeping the intention. The essential message or the core message is when it is very difficult to paraphrase, writers can use partial paraphrasing. Now we review, and then we have this summarized version. Sometimes the source is a complex text or it includes expressive language whose purpose can be lost when paraphrasing. In that case, writers can use partial paraphrase, Fitzpatrick 2011. Now, the second method is the progressive summarization technique. This is a method that in which you make several passes on the reading to in the first pass you highlight key sentences. In the second pass you bold the most important points. In the third pass you extract essential ideas, and in the fourth pass you add your insights and connections. For examples, I have here a paragraph also taken from our didactic guide. It's about quoting and what to do when we have a quotation within quotations. So here you have I have highlighted the key points. Then I have bold the most important points. Then I extract the most essential information to have this summarized version. It says if the information has been quoted by the author, it is called quotations within quotations. We use double quotation marks for the first source and single quotation mark for the second source. Nevertheless, it is always better to paraphrase the information. Now, for the third strategy, we have the mind mapping strategy. So in this case, we basically need to create a mind map so we graphically can see all the important points of the text we want to summarize. We start with the central theme, then we create main topic branches, then we connect with the related ideas to these branches, then we review and organize the final map. I have here the original source. It's about techniques to facilitate paraphrasing. It talks about avoiding plagiarism and how to use several techniques. This is my mind map. The central idea is paraphrasing. Then we have avoid plagiarism and what to do as related branches. Then we connect with the ideas. And finally, we have here the summarized version. To paraphrase correctly, it is necessary to avoid plagiarism by altering the original statement as much as possible, and also the writer needs to use different paraphrasing techniques and apply several of these techniques, not just one. So this has been my presentation about the topic. Thank you very much.